What is up, y'all? Hello and welcome to another video. My name's Jordan Moyer, and today we're going to be unboxing some supplements from Isatori, a hot minute anyway, and more developed. Little bonus for you guys. It still tastes amazing. I don't know exactly what's in here because we got 2 months worth of products and I've just come back from being out of the country for a good hot minute anyway. And if you guys like this video, if you like the unboxing, make sure you let me know. Comment or something, and then I'll know. And I will start to do regular videos because I get a new box of these every month and it's always different things that I ask for, right? So if there's anything specific you want to see as well from any company that you see me unbox, make sure you let me know. If you comment anything like that, like, yo, I want to see such and such a product, I'll do a whole video for you. All right, we're gonna go initially with this box right here, which is the oldest box. So I opened it already, but I didn't open it, right? So I haven't really, I didn't check 100% to see what's in here. So it looks like, okay, this is good news. We have PMD Ultra Pump Fuel, caffeine free. Now, the great thing about this is that it's a stimulant free pre-workout. So if you ever think you're drinking too much caffeine or you want to reduce your caffeine intake, but you still want a great pre-workout that gives you great focus, mental clarity, and an insane pump, this is probably going to be your guy. Right? I'll go through the ingredients real quick. There's 1.5 grams of crealkaline plus 1.5 grams of creatine magna-power. So crealkaline is alkalinized creatine. Alkalinized, I think that's the right word. So it's creatine that's alkaline, right? Creatine magna-power is magnesium chelated creatine, right? And chelated creatine has actually been studied to be the most effective creatine on the market. Of course, creatine monohydrate is great. However, these ones just have a little bit of extra kick to them, okay? You got 6 grams of citrulline malate, and personally, I find that is right around the perfect dose of citrulline malate. Some products only have 2 or 4 grams, which is total crap because I've never gotten an amazing pump from citrulline without at least 6 to 8 grams. So 6 grams really gives me a good pump, and it works really well in conjunction with the other ingredients they have. Citrulline malate is the most effective pump ingredient I've personally ever found. You've got on top of that 500 mg of nitrosigine, which is for endurance, and it also boosts your vascularity, right? It's a nitric oxide booster, which is something that causes your blood cells to expand and gives you better endurance in the gym. It's got 500 milligrams of that, 3.2 grams of beta-alanine, which is a bit of that tingling if you've had it. It's got 2.5 grams of beta-ene anhydrous, and then 12.6 grams of smart carbs. That's all the ingredients inside the pre-workout here. Now, this is the caffeine-free version. They have a high stim, which I also take, and they have a medium stim as well, which I'm thinking might possibly be in one of these boxes. We will find out. On product number 2, pre, intra, post core fuel. Okay, so core fuel endurance. This is great. This is actually something that I wanted to try because I haven't tried it yet, right? What it has in it, let me see here. Okay, so this core fuel endurance can be taken as a pre, intra, or a post workout, okay? It's got a couple different things in here. You got your aminos and your EAAs blend, so BCAAs and EAAs, right? You've got your endurance, which includes some beta-ene, right, and beta-alanine. Your recovery, which has a bit of glutamine in there, and your focus blend, which got choline, tyrosine, and astragen, and of course it's got electrolytes in here, right? So sounds like a good product overall. I'm actually super hyped to try it, and the flavor is tropical fruit punch. One idea that I've had, but I'm not sure, you know what I mean, whether or not I feel like doing it, is when I do this unboxing, I could taste all the products as we go too. So taste is actually one of the main reasons I like this company. Aside from having clinically studied ingredients and them just giving really effective products, they also taste really well. So if you guys want to see me taste all the products, I'll do a video on that too. I actually have a whole shelf I can go through, so do let me know, okay? Now, this here, I have an idea what it is, right? It's BX3, okay? So BX3, stim-free strength and endurance, 3.2 grams beta-alanine, 4 grams BCAAs, and 1.5 grams beta-ene. Seems pretty cool, right? Okay, now this BX3 is something you can also do pre, intra, and post-workout. I got unflavored so I can actually mix it with other things because it's meant to be something you can add to other pre-workouts. So I'm probably gonna try it with this guy right here. Right. Last but not least, we got the L-Carnitine Ls 1500. Now I've taken this product from Isatori for quite a while. Their carnitine is a blend of the 3 types of carnitine, right? It's beneficial to get all 3 types of carnitine because they're absorbed by your body slightly differently. And L-Carnitine is actually one of the most studied products that has been proven to be effective on fat loss, okay? Of course, you're not gonna lose fat if you're not dieting, exercising, and essentially producing a calorie deficit, right? Or an energy deficit. So, you know what I mean? That's the first thing you need to do. But if you want to supplement your results and get even better results, this could be a really excellent thing to add to your routine. This is currently part of my daily routine right now. Right now I'm doing a cut. And while I cut right now, pretty much every day, what I'm doing is I'm taking the Lipodrex from Isatori, fat loss product. I'm taking the L-Carnitine from Isatori, also fat loss product. No stimulants in the L-Carnitine, FYI, but it does energize you. And I also take something called Amino Grow, which is amino acids combined with BioGrow, which is an exclusive product to Isatori. No other company has it. BioGrow helps act as a sort of a fertilizer for the protein you're eating and makes it better absorbed by your body. So that's box number 1, 4 different products. Okay, I'm gonna throw those guys back in the box for now. And then we're gonna go on to box number 2. Oh. I was gonna open this a little bit cooler, but I don't have an opener, so that's as cool as it is right now. And now we're gonna see what lovely products this box has in store. I think the camera will see before me. Looks to be 3, and then yeah, oh, I know what one of them is. So I'll do this one because I haven't done this one yet in this video, but my fave. Absolute fave pre-workout that exists or ever has existed in the history of mankind. Well, Isatori, when you guys bring back the red, white, and blue flavor, that one was my favorite over this one. But yo, this is still like totally amazing. Cherry frost flavor, so it just tastes like a snow cone kind of. You got your Isatori Morph X5 pre-workout. So it is a 5-in-1 pre-workout, right? So it's meant for energy, focus, muscle pump, strength, muscular growth, and endurance. And I'll tell you guys like right away, the reason I like this pre-workout is because it's effective, okay? So 2 ingredients that I really, really love are in here. Number 1 is your citrulline malate. There's 6 grams in each serving, okay? Number 2 is your nitrosigine. There's 1 gram in each serving. So I just went over this, that the citrulline malate is the pump ingredient. 6 grams is a really, really effective dose. Nitrosigine, vascularity plus endurance, right? So 1 gram is a really, really effective dose of that as well. On top of that, let me see what other ingredients are in here that are noteworthy. 3.2 grams of beta-alanine, 2.5 grams of creatine magnipower, which is that magnesium chelated creatine that I mentioned. Go ahead and Google that if you like. And 1.5 grams of betaine. So I've got a couple bottles of this that I've been finishing off recently. I pretty much have this pre-workout every day as well. It's part of my stack, my fat loss stack that I mentioned with the Lipodrex guy. We're gonna see if this is a different one because I got, oh, okay, now this is high stim, right? So same exact pump fuel that I mentioned over there, but rather than being stimulant free, this is high stim, okay? And this flavor is cherry bomb. And then, boom, BX3. Hold on a second, because I swear, now I have 2 bottles of BX3. Okay, great. So, Isatori, this is all for you. We're gonna really, really use this BX3 over the next 2 months. Yep, 100% as we get lean and more developed or whatever. And yeah, sounds pretty interesting to me. I don't know. I've never taken a pre-workout booster before, and this is one of the things the company messaged me about, saying that they're you know what I mean, trying to get some feedback on. So If you're not on my Instagram already and my TikTok, feel free to grab whichever one of those that you do prefer to go on. The link will be down in the description of this video. That's all I got for the. If you guys like this video, do be sure to let me know. Little bonus for you guys. I'm just about to start filming the video, and you know, a little bit thirsty, but also a little bit energy's dipping. So I'm gonna throw a little bit of this BCAA charged, so it has caffeine in it, from PMD into my water right now. I've already had a good amount of caffeine for the day, so I don't want much more. The great thing about this product is that, you know, you can just do a half a scoop if you want, just a bit of caffeine, and like still put it with a good amount of water, like a full thing of water. Oh, I guess you can't see, I'm using this much, so, right? And yeah, just do like half a scoop or whatever, and then throw her in there, because I just want a little bit of a boost, but not the full dose of caffeine. So yeah, like in one scoop, it pretty much has 125 milligrams of caffeine. So taking half, I had about 62, we'll say. But yeah, like one of the great things about this is that you can put just a half a scoop like this in, you know, pretty much a full bottle of water, and it still tastes amazing. Beauty. And this is a blue snow cone.